Hi, this is Ron Thompson, the sales manager at Alpha USA Electrical Division. Today we're going to show you something that's rather remarkable, and basically it's how to easily drill stainless steel enclosures. We at Alpha have been making, actually we invented the tungsten carbide hole saw many years ago, and we invented it actually to compensate for thinner materials where our magnetic drills would not drill. And the first one that we innovated was what we call the short type hole saw. The short type hole saw was basically to attack steels up to 3/16 and very, very thin stainless steels. But this hole saw really has only come into the electrical market within the last 5 years, and everybody has tried to duplicate the original. We still make it in a very thick wall in over 30 sizes with a single piece of steel rather than a changeable cutter head. This saw, however, does not do particularly well, but does better than everybody else in cutting stainless steels. But like everybody else's short type hole saw, it is very difficult. We also manufacture 3 other types of hole saws. One is a long type, which I did not bring here, that is used for drilling thick wall tubing. But today we're going to show you the MBS hole saw. This hole saw has some very special proprietary features that we build into it in terms of the heat treat and in terms of the carbide configuration that make it an ideal stainless hole saw that will do many, many, many more holes over than a short type hole saw could ever accomplish. And I'm also going to go in and show you how we drill with this. We also have an even heavier duty version made mainly for drill presses, but that can also be used in a 1/2-inch drill. This is the most aggressive and longest lasting hole saw we have. I'm also in another video going to show you how this hole saw also works in stainless, particularly 10 gauge stainless. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a panel of stainless steel that is the typical thickness of an enclosure. We have already, as you can see here, drilled 24 holes with this same hole saw, the MBS type, which is called actually a multi-build saw. And it also, we're using even the same split point, pilot point drill to go into the material. You're going to see that in order to get it started, you need to rock the point drill a little bit, and then once we get into the material with the hole saw, it'll go right through. And then we don't want to take it out while the hole saw is moving because we don't want to hit the carbide against the round edge. Now we'll go ahead and we'll drill the stainless steel. We rock it a little bit in a circular clockwise motion. We're just about through. In this case, we do have a spring that causes the slug to eject, but if it hangs up a little bit, it's very easy to get it out. Again, this is called the Max Build saw by Alpha, ideal for stainless steel cutting in enclosures.